Take a piece of cardboard and then grab buckram. Buckram you can find anywhere in the fabric store, and then try to paste it from all the four sides. Try to use a strong adhesive glue. I have used Fevibond here. You can also find it from any hardware store. Once you are halfway through, you will see that the back edges of the buckram is very improper and untidy. To give it a more clean and nice look, you have to cut the four edges. Now the last and the most important step is to stick a paper at the back of your canvas. The paper can be either ruled or a plain paper. Try to stick the paper more cleanly and neatly because this will give more finished look to the canvas. Woo! It's all done. Like, we have made canvas in less than 40 rupees. It's a life-saving hack. I have painted that boring white canvas into a neon sign. Isn't it looking pretty?